Okay. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Now audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today there will be the uh, test. Okay, of unit number 4, and that I will conduct in the last 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. So first we'll complete some of the part of our ongoing unit, that is unit number 5. Okay. And in last 30 minutes we'll conduct the quiz. Okay. So let's start the next topic of this unit. In this last lecture, we had discussed this part, okay? A fundamental cut set and fundamental circuit. Clear? And before that, we had discussed cut set, clear, and its application. And now that is a fundamental cut set and circuit that we had finished in the last lecture. In that, we consider one of the connected graph, okay? And then after create one of its spanning tree, and the edges included in spanning tree, that is known as a branch, and edges which is not included in spanning tree but it is a part of the graph, that is known as a chord. Okay. And then after we can define the definition of fundamental cut set, you could consider one of the cut set of graph G containing exactly one branch and rest of edges should be the chord. That cut set is known as a fundamental cut set, okay, with respect to T. Means if we change the T, if we change the spanning tree, then answer will be changed. Okay, cut set will be changed. And these are some example we had discussed in the last lecture. Okay, and then after next definition is their fundamental circuit. So in that we consider one of the circuit of connected graph G, where only one edges should be the chord and rest of edges should be the branch. Okay, you have to make one circuit to the graph, and in such graph we consider only one chord. In such circuit we consider only one chord and rest of edges should be the branch. Okay, so that circuit is known as a fundamental circuit. Okay, so that we had discussed in the last lecture. Okay, now today we'll start next topic, that is the connectivity of the graph. Okay, so what is the meaning of connectivity of the graph? Clear? Let's discuss it. There are two types of connectivity. One is a edge connectivity and second is a vertex connectivity. Clear? Connectivity means, let us first discuss the first one, connectivity of the graph. Okay, means by using some number of edges we can make the graph disconnected. Okay, and also by using some vertex we can also make graph disconnected. Okay, so that is meaning of connectivity of the graph. Two types of connectivity. First is edge connectivity. So what is meaning of edge connectivity? So we consider some set of cut set. Clear? We have the collection of cut set of any graph. Clear? Based on the number of edges and so on. And then after observe this all the cut set and identify the smallest cut set. So what is meaning of smallest cut set? In such cut set you have to check minimum number of edges. Clear? If we have the three cut set, in first cut set we have two edges, in the second cut set we have the three edges, and in the third cut set we have only single edges. So which will be the smallest cut set? A single
Single
cut
one.
one. Clear? So we consider this smallest cut set and then after we'll consider a number of edges. Clear? Including smallest cut set. So that is called the edge connectivity of the graph. Okay, means you have to prefer the smallest cut set of the graph and the number of edges in such smallest cut set, that is called the edge connectivity of the given graph G. Clear? Similar process is that we have one connected graph, check all its possible cut set and then after identify which will be the smallest one. Clear? And the number of edges include in smallest cut set, including cut set, that is called the edge connectivity of the given graph G. Clear? So here, let's consider one of the example. Clear? We can get idea about that. Okay, how we can consider edge connectivity. Clear? Let's do any arbitrary graph here. Clear? And we'll check all of its possible cut set. Right now, I consider only 4 edges, but we can include some more edges here. Clear? These are the graph which edge notation, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 edges are there. And now first step we'll check all it possible cut set. ठीक है, पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसके सभी cut set identify करेंगे. ठीक है, you can also find direct answer that, but let us use this process. So list of the cut set. तो first cut set कौन सा होगा? सिंगलटन 1, ओके, दैट इज वन कट सेट. अब 1 को डिलीट कर दो तो दिस वर्टेक्स विल बी डिस्कनेक्टेड. ओके, सेकंड कट सेट कौन सा होगा? 1 2 4. ओके, 1 2 4 को आप डिलीट कर दो ग्राफ में से, सो दिस विल बी वन कट सेट. ठीक है, सेकंड इज अ 2 and 3. ओके, 2 and 3 इज ऑल्सो कट सेट. 2 और 3 को रिमूव करो ग्राफ में से, तो ये जो वर्टेक्स यहाँ पे है दैट विल बी डिस्कनेक्ट विथ द ग्राफ. ओके, एंड देन आफ्टर 3 and 4 is also cut set. Clear? These are the cut set. 2 and 4 is also cut set. 2 and 4 को delete करो ग्राफ में से, so that is also one cut set. Okay, so these are the list of cut set, and now we'll check that which will be the smallest one. Okay, तो smallest one कैसे decide करेंगे आप? Based on the number of age. ठीक है, कितनी एज उस कट सेट में डिफाइन हुए उस हिसाब से हम स्मॉलेस्ट कट सेट डिफाइन करेंगे. ठीक है, सो इन द फर्स्ट कट सेट वी हैव ओनली सिंगल एज इज दैट. ओके, एक ही एज इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, and that is one example of cut set that. So that example, okay, that singleton 1, that is our smallest cut set. ये कौन सा है? That is the smallest cut set. Clear? Based on all the cut set that. ठीक है, because it involve only single edges और बाकी सब में 3 एज है, 2 एज है. ठीक है, so that is one smallest cut set. And now how many edges include in this graph? Okay, there is only one edges are included in this graph, so edge connectivity of this graph is equal to the 1. ठीक है, पूरा ग्राफ की एज कनेक्टिविटी क्या होगी? दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, नॉट ओनली फॉर कट सेट, वी आर नॉट चेकिंग एज कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ एनी कट सेट. ठीक है, वी आर चेकिंग एज कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ एनी ग्राफ. So here in this graph, edge connectivity will be 1. Okay, by using single edge only, we can make graph disconnected. ठीक है, एक एज डिलीट करके आप ग्राफ को डिस्कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. So that is meaning of edge connectivity. Clear? If we change the graph, okay, then answer will be changed. If I involve a fifth number edge here, okay, that is 5 edges are involved to this graph. So cut set will be changed. Clear? Answer of cut set will be changed because it depends on the number of edges. Clear? So right now the cut set will be 1 2 4, then after 2 3, okay, then after 3 4 5 will be the cut set. Clear? Then after 1 and 5 will be the cut set. Clear? These are the all possible cut set. 2 4 5 also will be cut set. 2 4 5. Clear? Then after 1 4 3 is also cut set. These are the cut set. Clear? So which will be the smallest cut set in that part? Clear? 2 and 3. Clear? 1 and 5 also the smallest cut set that, but we consider only one. Okay, दो है कट सेट जिसमें दोनों में दो दो एज इन्वॉल्व है, 2 3 and 1 5 also. ठीक है, बट वी प्रीफर एनी वन ऑफ देम. क्लियर? कोई एक ही उसमें से प्रीफर करना है, and then check number of edges in the smallest cut set, so that will be the 2 only. Okay, so 2 and 3 is our smallest cut set. ये भी एक smallest cut set है. 1 5 को भी आप ले सकते हो. ठीक है, it is also smallest cut set. So answer of edge connectivity of this graph is equal to the 2. ठीक है, is it clear the procedure? Okay, now here one of the result is given that for a 1 mark MCQ, for 1 mark short questions, what is the edge connectivity of any tree? ठीक है, that is equal to 1 only. Edge connectivity of any tree, that is equal to 1. Clear? Why it is only 1? क्योंकि आपको एक ही एज डिलीट करनी है ग्राफ में से, and which makes the graph disconnected. ठीक है, tree means connected graph without any cycle. ठीक है, if I consider this graph of tree, ये ग्राफ है ट्री का. ठीक है, these are the vertex we have and edges. Clear? Edge notation 1 2 3 4 and 5 edges are there. ठीक है, अगर मैं सिंगल 1 को डिलीट करता हूँ देन ग्राफ में एक डिस्कनेक्टेड पार्ट. ठीक है, सिंगलटन 3 को आप डिलीट करो, 5 को डिलीट करो, 2 को डिलीट करो. ठीक है, दिस ऑल आर द कट सेट. ओके, सिंगल एज ओनली, no any combination of 2 edge and so on. Only single edge is required to make the graph disconnected. So every tree, okay, with any number of vertex, what will be the edge connectivity of the tree? That is 1. ठीक है, कितने भी vertex हो ग्राफ में. ठीक है, if tree with 25 vertex, then edge connectivity is only 1. Okay, tree with 17 vertex, then edge connectivity will be 1. Clear? So that is concept of edge connectivity. Is there any doubt? It is based on the cut set concept. ठीक है, कट सेट पहले आपको चेक करना है, and then after check the smallest cut set. Any confusion to anyone? Okay, good. Now next, connectivity is that vertex connectivity. So I just remove it. Okay. So what is meaning of vertex connectivity? By using the vertex, okay, we'll make the graph disconnected. Okay, by using the deletion of the vertex, we'll make the graph disconnected. So what does it mean? The vertex connectivity of the graph G, of a connected graph G, defined as the minimum number of vertex whose removal from the graph G, which makes a graph disconnected. ठीक है, मींस आपको मिनिमम नंबर वर्टेक्स को डिलीट करना है, मिनिमम पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ द वर्टेक्स, ठीक है, which makes a graph disconnected, then this number, okay, of the vertex, that is called the vertex connectivity of the graph. ठीक है, if by using single vertex we can make graph disconnected, then vertex connectivity will be 1. If by two vertex, by deletion of the two vertex, if you make the graph disconnected, then vertex connectivity will be 2. ठीक है, you have to delete the vertex from the graph, which makes the graph disconnected. Okay, you have to observe that graph should be in the two partition after deletion of this vertex. If it is in two partition, then that is called the vertex connectivity. Okay, so again I repeat the definitions. It is a connected graph G. Okay, both the definitions will work only for connected graph G. We cannot find edge connectivity and vertex connectivity for disconnected graph. Okay, graph should be the connected, and now you have to check the minimum number of vertex. Okay, you have to consider minimum possibility of the vertex whose removal from the G, which leaves the graph disconnected. Okay, leaves the G disconnected, and then it is known as a vertex connectivity. Okay, let's consider example here, any of the graph, and let's find its vertex connectivity. Let's first consider simple one, then after we consider the square form. Okay? Let's consider three vertex only. This graph. Yeah. Three vertex to the graph and two edges. Okay, that is a vertex A, it is a B, and vertex C. Okay, now focus to the vertex only, not the edge. Okay, so to delete the vertex now means remove this vertex from the graph. And after removing this vertex, the graph should be the disconnected. Okay, that is called the vertex connectivity. And you have to use the minimum number of vertex. So ये graph है इसमें, ठीक है? So what is the vertex connectivity of this graph? ठीक है? You have to consider some suitable place here, okay? Suitable vertex, ठीक है? And then delete this suitable vertex and then after observe this graph, ठीक है? So if you delete A, अगर आप A को delete करते हो ग्राफ में से, ठीक है? Delete the A, okay? So A यहाँ से निकल जाएगा पूरा, ठीक है? With the edge also will be removed that. So that is your remaining part, okay? When delete the vertex A, and B and C will be remaining there after removing the A. So B and C means there is no any partition of the graph. B and C are still connected there. There is no any two partition you will get after deletion of the vertex A. It is only one part is there, okay? So for A it is not possible to make graph disconnect, okay? So consider A as it is here. Now consider another vertex in place of the A. Now consider for a B, ठीक है? तो delete the B from the graph, okay? B को यहाँ से delete करो ग्राफ में से, तो उसके साथ दो edge connected है, that also will be removed, वो भी उसके साथ निकल जाएगी. What is the remaining part? What is the remaining part when we delete A and when we delete B? B को यहाँ से delete कर दो ग्राफ में से, ठीक है? तो B will be removed, and with this edge, okay, both the edge will be removed that, so it is remaining only A and C, ठीक है? ये दोनों edge यहाँ से निकल जाएगी B के साथ, ठीक है? So what is the remaining part of the graph? A and C only, and that is a two disconnected part. Okay, A is in one partition and C is in another partition. So that is called vertex connectivity. Okay, by using single vertex only, we can make graph disconnected. So what is the vertex connectivity of this graph? Of 1. Okay, that is 1 is the answer here. Now let's change the graph here. Consider the square. Okay, 4 vertex with some edges. Okay, these are the connection we have. That is a B, C, and D. Clear? So we'll start with the 1. Okay, आपका आंसर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? वर्टेक्स कनेक्टेड 1 से स्टार्ट होगा. ठीक है, we cannot consider any negative value or we cannot consider zero answer also. ठीक है, so we'll start with the 1 and we'll check the possibility for 1. Okay, can we make the graph disconnected by using single vertex only? Okay, इस ग्राफ के लिए चेक करो. Can we make
Yes.
graph disconnected by deletion of single vertex only?
Yes.
Yes. Which vertex?
A.
ए को आप डिलीट करो ग्राफ में से. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इन द ग्राफ? ए यहां से निकल गया. ठीक है, लेट्स ए आई हैव डिलीट. ओके, दिस एज आल्सो विल बी डिलीट, दिस 3 एज आल्सो विल बी रिमूव. ओके, ए यहां से रिमूव हो गया. सो व्हाट इज द रिमेनिंग पार्ट? दिस बी सी डी विल बी रिमेनिंग and there is no any two partition you can fill. Is it clear? So by using single vertex only we cannot make graph disconnected. Okay, is it clear? By using single vertex we cannot make graph disconnect. Clear? So let's change the for two vertex. Okay, this is our graph. Clear? Now you can change the vertex also. You can check for the B. Clear? If we delete a B, can we make graph disconnected? Delete a C, then after D. Clear? So it is not possible for single vertex to make graph disconnect. ठीक है, single vertex के लिए possible नहीं. Now do it for a two vertex. ठीक है, remove any two vertex and check that graph into the two partition or not. Okay, so which two vertex we can consider? A and C. Yeah, very good. Okay, if we delete a B and D, okay, अगर मैं B और D को delete करता हूँ ग्राफ में से, ठीक है, तब भी ग्राफ कनेक्टेड ही रहेंगे. If I consider B and D, ठीक है, B और D को आप delete करो तो A and C is still connected there. Okay, the four edges will be removed with the B and D, but A and C will still connected in this case. Clear? So for B and D case, it is not possible to make graph disconnected. Okay, but in place of the B and D, if I delete A and C को delete करो इसमें, ठीक है, तो सभी एज ग्राफ की रिमूव हो जाएगी. ठीक है, विद द ए एंड सी ऑल द एज विल बी डिलीट. ठीक है, ऑल द एज विल बी डिलीट. Then in that case we'll consider one more example. Okay, in that case it is not possible. Okay, so here A and C we consider our answer. ठीक है, delete A and C. So when we delete A and C, this all the age will be delete. ठीक है, A और C के साथ सभी एज रिमूव हो जाएगी. Only D will be remaining and B will be remaining. Okay, so these are the two disconnected part of the graph. Okay, so your vertex connectivity of this graph will be 2. Clear? And let's change, let's modify the graph again. Clear? Let's add some more edges. Yeah, let's add some more edges here to verify the more answer. Okay. Now let us consider one of the complete graph. Okay, what is the shape here? A K4 complete graph with 4 vertex. Okay, A, B, C, D with 6 edges are there. That is shape of K4. So here verify that what will be the circuit range? Oh, sorry, what will be the vertex connectivity? When we delete the 3 vertex, the graph should contain the 2 partition. Means graph should be filled like disconnected form. That is only one partition. Biju partition kya? We cannot find second partition. Clear?
Sir, Sri.
Yeah. Vertex. So when we delete 3 vertex, the edges also connect with this 3 vertex, so that also will be delete. वो automatically delete हो जाएगी उसके साथ. So here, what is our purpose in the definition? What is our aim in the definition? Okay, when we remove the one vertex, okay, when we remove the set of vertex, the graph leaves the disconnected form. disconnected, what is meaning of disconnected? There will be the two partition of the graph. Okay, if graph derived only one partition, then it is not a disconnected flow. Clear? Graph flow आपको दो partition में convert करना है. ठीक है? So to fill like graph disconnected flow. ठीक है? That is one partition, that is second partition. Clear? So here in any complete graph, ठीक है? In any complete graph K3, K4, K5, K6, we cannot find the vertex connectivity. Clear? Why it is not possible? If we delete only single vertex A, then graph is still connected. Okay. If we delete two vertex A, C, either B and D, remaining part is still connected. Okay. Now do it for three vertex. If we delete a three vertex, what is the remaining in this set? If we delete A, B and C, तो A, B, C के साथ सभी एज रिमूव हो जाएगी. ठीक है. A, B, C के साथ all the edge will be removed that, and what is remaining to the graph? Only D. Only one vertex is remaining, and that is not a disconnected form. Okay, that is not a disconnected graph. Clear? The two partitions should be there when we delete number of vertices. Clear? When we delete number of vertices. Clear? So it is not possible. Clear? Your answer for complete graph will be the not possible. Okay? If you consider less vertex, let us consider three vertex only. Okay? तीन vertex आप लोगे. That is the shape of K3. ये K3 का ग्राफ है. So यहाँ पे भी ये पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. ठीक है. ओके. इन द K3 शेप इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल टू फाइंड वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी. आप एक को डिलीट करोगे तो दो कनेक्टेड होंगे. आप दो को डिलीट करोगे तो ग्राफ में एक ही वर्टेक्स बचेगा. ठीक है. इफ यू डिलीट टू वर्टेक्स, एनी टू वर्टेक्स ऑफ द K3 शेप, remaining is only one vertex there, and that is not a disconnected form. ठीक है. The graph should be the disconnected, means it should be the two partition of the graph. We can find edge connectivity too, but for any complete graph we cannot find its vertex connectivity. Okay, so that is the definition of vertex connectivity. And now for a concept of tree, the vertex connectivity of any tree, okay, that is 1, and here the degree of the vertex should be greater than 2. Okay, degree of vertex, that should be greater than 2. Okay. In that case, it is possible to check the vertex connectivity. Let us consider the graph of tree. एक tree का graph है. ठीक है. These are the vertex. That is vertex A, B, C, D, E, and F. Clear? That is connected without any cycle. Now check that which vertex we can consider as a vertex connectivity. If we delete A, अगर आप A को डिलीट करोगे, ठीक है, then graph still connected. ठीक है, means जिसकी भी डिग्री 1 है उस वर्टेक्स को आप डिलीट करोगे, then it is still connected form. Clear? But if we delete a B, अगर हम B को डिलीट कर देते ग्राफ में से तो A उसके साथ कनेक्टेड है, that also disconnected now. Okay, so A is in one partition और बाकी जो बचा ग्राफ में the 4 vertex will be in second partition. ठीक है, so that is a disconnected form. If we delete a C also, then AB will be in one partition and remaining vertex will be in second partition. Okay? If we delete D, then graph look like a connected form. Okay? If we delete C, then it is also connected form. Clear? So degree of that vertex should be the greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2. ठीक है. अब दो से ज्यादा vertex की डिग्री वाला vertex consider करोगे, then it is considered two partition of the graph. Clear? Greater than or equal to 2. Okay?
सर
Yes, please. Yes.
સર 2 કરતા વધારે પાર્ટીશન થાય તો ચાલે ને?
હા ચાલે. Okay. Let's go. Okay, but we cannot consider only one part when we delete some number of words. Okay. So let's check some more example here. Okay. 3 to 4 graphs is given here, and let's find its vertex and edge connectivity of that part. So one of the graph is given here with 5 vertex and some edges. Clear? So what is the edge connectivity of this graph? We need one smallest cut set. ठीक है, आपको एक smallest cut set इसमें से find करना है, and you can directly observe the smallest cut set also. ठीक है, आपको E को डिस्कनेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, तो कितनी एज आपको निकालनी होगी? यहाँ से 2 एज निकालनी होगी. ठीक है, आपको C को डिस्कनेक्ट करना है तो भी 2 एज निकालनी होगी. बाकी सब जो कट सेट है which involve the three edges. ठीक है, अगर आपको B को डिस्कनेक्ट करना है, D को करना है, A को करना है, it's required more than three edges. ठीक है, three more than three edges. But if we disconnect the E with rest of all the part, E and C को, ठीक है, it required only two edges there. Okay, आपको दो ही एज निकालनी होगी to make the graph disconnect. ठीक है, अगर हम इसका लिस्ट बनाएंगे तभी उसमें दो एज ही डिफाइन होगी. ठीक है, so which will be the smallest cut set? This one. ठीक है, this will be the smallest cut set. And how many edges are involved in this cut set? These are the two edges. ठीक है, so edge connectivity of this graph is equal to the 2. Clear? Now check for vertex connectivity.
Sir, that also 2.
That also 2. Yes, very good. Okay, which two vertex you can delete?
A and D.
Yeah, very good. Okay, A and D को delete कर दो. So which two partition you will get? Okay, you can also consider this graph here. Okay, in this below से अगर आप A और D को delete करते हो, ठीक है, A और D को delete करना, what is the remaining part of the graph? You can also write down it here, and then after you can feel that they are disconnected form. ठीक है, that is your remaining part when we delete A and D. ठीक है, A and D को निकाल दो ग्राफ में से, मीन्स पूरा रिमूव ही करना. ठीक है, not mention any of the edges after that. So A and D को निकाल दो. So this all the edges, okay, except the B and E, all the edges will be removed. Okay, so C and B, E. Okay, C will be disconnect with B and E. So these are the two partition of the graph. There is one partition, that is second partition. Okay, these are the disconnected form. Clear? We can also delete B and D. ठीक है, आप बी और डी को भी डिलीट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, बी और डी को निकाल दो यहां से, तो ए सी विल बी इन वन पार्टीशन और ई विल बी इन सेकंड पार्टीशन. ठीक है, सो दैट वे वी कैन चेक द वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी. एटलीस्ट दो वर्टेक्स को आपको डिलीट करना है. ठीक है, टू मेक द ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्टेड, एंड इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू मेक ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्टेड बाय सिंगल वर्टेक्स ओनली. ठीक है, सिंगल वर्टेक्स के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. ठीक है,
Sir,
यस
sir, edge connectivity માં કઈ edge કાપવાની, કઈ કાઢવાની છે?
small edge cut set you have to consider it here. You can consider yeah, this one.
Okay, E.
हाँ, इसमें दो एज निकालनी होगी टू मेक ई डिस्कनेक्ट विद रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. बाकी सब में दो से ज्यादा है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे भी दो है, सी को डिस्कनेक्ट करने के लिए इसमें भी दो एज है, बाकी सब में दो अथवा दो से ज्यादा. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
okay, so it is clear for this equation. Now let's do it for second graph, this one. So what is the edge connectivity of this graph? Okay, 2 is the correct answer. Very good. Clear? क्लियर? आपको दो एज निकालनी होगी सी को डिस्कनेक्ट करने के लिए. बाकी सब आप ऑब्जर्व करो तो सबकी डिग्री दो अथवा दो से ज्यादा है. ठीक है, बी में भी आपको दो आंसर मिलेगा, जी को में दो आंसर मिलेगा. ठीक है, ए डी एफ ई that has a degree 3 means it has a 3 edges required to make graph disconnect. ठीक है, so edge connectivity इसमें होगी दो. Smallest cut set which involve the two edges, okay, in the list of all the cut set. Now for vertex connectivity.
Sir, 3.
Yes, 3 is not answer. Verify it again. Can we make graph disconnected by two vertex only? Yeah, C and D. C and D. When we delete C and D, graph still connected. C and D is
Sir, B and G.
Sir, CDE. Sir, CDE.
CBE. No. That is graph. If I delete C, B, and E, it is disconnected form. Okay, C को delete करो, then after D and then after E. It is disconnected. But we can also make graph disconnected by only two vertex.
By D and E.
D and E. So D and E, if we delete D and E, these are the edges we will delete. Now observe the remaining part. That is still connected.
Then, sir, B and D.
Sir, C and E.
C and E. तो C यहाँ से निकल गया, ठीक है, E निकल गया. What is remaining set? That is remaining. That is still connected. Think about A and F. A and F. Two connected.
Bro, A and F. Then C will be different, and D, E, and G will be remaining.
ठीक है. Delete A and F. Okay. That is A vertex and F vertex. That is this one. Okay. A यहाँ पे है, F यहाँ पे है. So when we delete A यहाँ से निकल गया पूरा. तो A के साथ तीन एज भी कनेक्टेड है. This will be removed. ठीक है. And F के साथ भी तीन एज कनेक्टेड है. This also will be deleted. ठीक है. So what is the remaining in this graph? In the one side that is only vertex C. ठीक है. एक साइड C बचेगा, बाकी साइड ये चार वर्टेक्स होंगे. ठीक है. That is B, E, G, and D. So vertex connectivity of this graph is also a 2. Clear? That is answer of this one. What is answer of third graph? First, find the edge connectivity, and then after vertex connectivity.
Sir, 2.
Just check it again.
One.
First, do
Sir,
it.
I think one.
Yeah, one is the correct answer. These edges will disconnect. In between A to B, there are only single edges that. Okay, in between A and B में एक edge है, तो इसको मैं यहाँ से निकाल देता हूँ इस edge को. ठीक है, means it involve only one edges in such cut set. So B will be disconnect with rest of all the graph. ठीक है, means graph disconnect. Clear? So it involve only single edge that to make graph disconnect. ठीक है.
Sir, we can also do C.
Yeah, what?
C ની જે edge છે.
If I consider this edge, okay, between A to C, then graph still connected.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what is the vertex connectivity?
Two.
Sir, one.
Yeah, 1 is the correct. Okay. Which vertex will delete? A.
A.
एक निकाल दो इसमें. B जो है डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा ग्राफ में से. ठीक है. And that is the remaining part. Remaining होगा. A यहाँ से निकल गया, तो which part is remaining now? Okay. Let me draw it here. You have to delete this A के साथ तीन एज है. That will be also delete. ठीक है. और A पूरा यहाँ से निकल गया. ठीक है. So now what is the remaining part of the graph? B is remaining and this triangle is remaining. Okay. C, D, E remaining. So that is one of the answer. Okay. By using single vertex only, we can make graph disconnected. So answer is a 1. Is there any confusion to anyone? Please ask. Okay. We'll discuss it here.
સર
Yes, please.
સર આપણે C કાઢી તો ન ચાલે?
C.
C
So let's check for the C also. Yeah, when you delete the C, okay, C to यहाँ से निकाला, so this edge also will be delete, this edge also will be delete, and this edge also will be delete. Now observe the remaining part of the graph.
ઓકે હા, it is still connected, A, B, E and D.
Okay, so for C it is not possible. Okay.
Okay.
Now, is there any doubt in this connectivity concept? Okay, there are some more graphs is given here. Let's just find direct answer. Oh, for first case, first graph, that is one of the complete graph is given. Okay, with K4. So what is the edge connectivity of the first graph? 3. Yeah, very good. And vertex connectivity is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because it is a K4 graph. Okay, it is one of the K4 cell. So vertex connectivity is not possible. You cannot find any answer of vertex connectivity. Now for second graph, edge connectivity and vertex connectivity. Now it is not a simple graph. It is one of the complete graph. These all are simple graph. That we already checked now in the definition of. That is general result also. Okay? General result. We cannot find. Yeah. Okay. What is answer in second one? Edge connectivity is equal to 2. Okay. Which two edge will delete? This in between these two triangle. Okay. ये दो edge है. That is a DE and BG. ये दोनों यहाँ से निकाल दो आप. So you can easily make graph into the two partitions. Okay. We can easily make graph into two partition. So edge connectivity is a 2. Now what about vertex connectivity?
That also 2.
That also 2, yes. Okay, just क्रॉस में दो वर्टेक्स को निकालो यहाँ से और D and B को आप डिलीट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, you can also delete A and G. Clear? D and G, any pair you can consider. Okay, which makes graph into the two parts and easily. Now for third graph, yeah, that is a 2. Okay, this 2 edge you can delete, either this 2 edge you can delete. Clear? कोई भी दो एक निकाल दो, then we can make graph disconnect. So edge connectivity is a 2. Now vertex connectivity. Yeah, both are 2. Very good. Okay. So which two vertex will delete? That is C. Okay, एक यहाँ से C निकालो और यहाँ से F निकालो. ठीक है. Now observe the remaining cell. इन दोनों को delete कर दो. So what is the remaining part in this graph? Remaining part क्या होगा? That is this part. Okay, this blue shaded line, that is our remaining. It is in one side. It is one part. और second side में होगा. ठीक है, that will be in second part. This blue shaded line will be our two part. When we delete the C and D, sorry, C and F. Here this red circle will delete. So answer is a 2. Okay. Now for last graph. Both are 1. Okay, very good. कोई भी एज यहाँ से एक निकाल दो, यानी कि कंसीडर मेक W as a disconnected. Clear? और वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी के लिए आप E को डिलीट कर दो अथवा तो X को डिलीट कर दो. ठीक है, otherwise you can delete also the Y. Clear? And these are the disconnected forms. So both are 1. Clear? Okay, so it is a concept of connectivity, and based on the connectivity concept, we can define the separable graph. Clear? So what is meaning of separable graph? And we'll also discuss what is application of connectivity. Okay, after this definition. So what is meaning of separable graph? It depends on the connectivity concept. Okay, so connected graph G is said to be separable graph okay, any connected graph is said to be separable graph if its vertex connectivity is 1. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी ग्राफ की वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी अगर 1 है तो दैट टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ इज नोन एज अ सेपरेबल ग्राफ. ठीक है, so in the separable graph a vertex whose removal disconnect the graph G is called the cut vertex. ठीक है, means this vertex से graph disconnect हो रहा है, that vertex is known as a cut vertex. ठीक है, and let us consider this graph and then we'll discuss concept of tree. Here one of the graph is given that, okay, so we'll check it vertex connectivity. If it is 1, then this graph is known as a separable graph. Okay, so here we can easily say that, okay, that is notation B here. Okay, that vertex notation is B. Clear? If you delete the B from the graph, B को आप delete कर दो graph में से, only single vertex required. Okay, so if you delete B from this graph, we can easily make the graph into the two parties. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, this graph is called the separable graph. Okay, this graph is known as a separable graph. Okay, so in this graph, which the cut vertex is a B. Okay, B is now called cut vertex because by using that we can make graph disconnect. Okay, removal the vertex which make the graph disconnected, that is known as a cut vertex. Okay, so here B is known as a cut vertex. A vertex connectivity should be 1. So if we apply this definition to this previous 4 graph, okay, so which graph will be the separable graph? The last one. Clear? This 4 graph we have, so which graph will be the separable graph? Is this vertex connected 1 hai, that graph is known as a separable graph. So here the last example, okay, last graph, that is our separable graph. Clear? You to just observe only vertex connectivity, okay, not a edge connectivity. Clear? The vertex connectivity should be 1. And now based on this concept, clear? We can apply to this real life also. Okay, so what is the use of connectivity in real life? Connectivity means edge and vertex connectivity, where it is applied, okay, where it is required, and why we learn this concept in engineering, okay, and where it is used in the real life. Okay, so here one of the application is given that, clear? Okay, what is the need of connectivity in real life? Okay, so here 2 graph is mentioned that, clear? Both graph contain the same number of vertex and same number of edges. ठीक है, दोनों ग्राफ में क्या है, 8 vertex है and 12 edges. ठीक है, by using 8 and 12 edges we create this both graph. Clear? Means we have developed one new network. आप कोई 2 network develop कर रहे हो, ठीक है, means you develop one of the new network. Clear? For any object with any connectivity. ठीक है, object may be any one that there are 6 cities we have, 6 to 8 cities we have, and we apply the telecommunication network between this all the 8 cities. Clear? In both the way. Clear? This one of the picture we have. Okay, we can implement this communication network in this way. Clear? This object is also temporary there. We can also change it. Clear? You can also consider one example is a computer. Okay, there are 8 computers and they are connected by the LAN cable. Clear? This way and this way. Clear? Both are the 2 different graph we have. Clear? With same number of vertex and same number of edges. So in this graph we have 8 vertex and 12 edges, and the first graph, clear? In the first graph we have a vertex connectivity is 1. Okay, in the first graph we have vertex connectivity is 1, and what is the edge connectivity of the first graph? That is a 2. Okay, edge connectivity of the first graph, that is a 2. You delete these 2 edges, we can make graph disconnected. And this single vertex you have to delete, which makes the graph disconnect. Okay, so vertex connectivity is 1 and edge connectivity is a 2. Okay, now just consider the second graph in place of that. Okay, second graph, second network in place of that. So what is the second network we have? In the second graph we have the same number of place, same number of vertex, clear, with the same number of connection. Okay, same number of connection means same number of edges. And now we'll find the connectivity of this graph. So what is the edge connectivity of this graph? What will be the edge connectivity of the second graph?
4.
Yeah, 4. Okay, you have to delete at least 4 edges to make graph disconnected. At least 4 edges to make graph disconnected. Edge connectivity is equal to 4. And what is the vertex connectivity of this graph?
That also 4.
That also 4. Do not read this paragraph here. You just also verify is 4 or not. Which two vertex you will delete to make graph disconnect? Start with the 1. If you delete single vertex, can you make graph disconnect? For 1 के लिए possible नहीं है. Now think for 2 vertex. कोई भी 2 को delete करो. So can we make graph disconnect?
No, sir.
No, it is not possible. Now check it for 3 vertex. कोई 3 को delete करो graph में से. Yeah. If I delete 3 vertex, one is a, then after F, and then after this vertex. Okay. मेरा एम क्या है कि मुझे डी को डिस्कनेक्ट करना है. ठीक है. बाकी सभी पूरा ग्राफ से डी को मुझे डिस्कनेक्ट करना है. तो मुझे क्या करना होगा? डी के साथ कितनी एज कनेक्टेड है? 4 एज कनेक्टेड है. वन इज फ्रॉम ए, सेकंड इज फ्रॉम एफ, एंड थर्ड इज फ्रॉम बी. ठीक है. So if I delete these 3 vertex A, F and B, A, F and D, so D is still connected with this edge. Okay, D is still connected with this edge. It is not disconnected. Okay, so what does it mean? To delete this 4 vertex. Okay, to delete the 4 vertex to make the graph disconnected. Which 4 vertex? This one also. Now observe the graph. ये चारों को यहाँ से निकाल दो. ठीक है. This circle I have considered it here. For the vertex, you delete this vertex. ठीक है. चारों को निकाल दो तो D जो है, ओके, ये जो vertex है यहाँ पे, ये डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया बाकी इस पार्टीशन से. ठीक है. So D is now disconnect with rest of all. Clear? So vertex connectivity of this graph is a 4, but that is not our aim here. You have to implement to the real life. So why you have to check this? Which graph is a better connected graph? Okay, which network is a better network as per our situation? Clear? So which network will use a better network? Okay, we apply this reason here to check which graph is a better connected graph. So what is the reason here? The second graph has a both connectivities of 4, and even after any 3 stations are bombed, otherwise destroy. ठीक है. आप 3 vertex को destroy कर दो, otherwise you have to bomb it. So what does it mean? Okay, rest of the part is still connected. Okay, rest of the part is still connected. And now apply this situation to the first graph. In the first graph, you have to destroy only single vertex there, and we can make graph into the 2 partition. Okay, आपको सिर्फ एक ही place को destroy करना है, and this side part, okay, this 4 vertex is disconnected with this 3 vertex. Clear? यहाँ पे एक ही possibility है, आप एक vertex को delete कर दो, then we can make easily into the 2 partition. But यहाँ पे at least आपको in the second graph, you have to delete at least 4 vertex to make the graph disconnected. ठीक है. You have to at least 4 stations you have to destroy that, then you can make graph disconnect. ठीक है. By using single vertex only, we cannot make graph disconnect. Okay, you destroy only single place. इसको आपने destroy कर दिया, then rest of the place is still connected here. Okay, if you destroy any 2 places, then rest of the part is still connected. If you destroy any 3 places, 3 place को आपने destroy कर दिया, then rest of the part is still connected. Rest of all the places are still connected. Clear? So comparison to this one, okay, this situation is a better connected situation. Clear? Because it has a more vertex connectivity as well as edge connectivity. Okay, this graph has a more vertex connectivity as well as edge connectivity. Okay, so we can implement this concept to the real life that if we develop one of the network, आप कोई network develop कर रहे हो, ठीक है, with any object with any connectivity. ठीक है, कोई भी connectivity यहाँ पे ले सकते हो with any object, vertex की जगह कोई भी आप data define कर सकते हो. ठीक है. And now you have to develop one new network. कोई new network आप develop कर रहे हो. ठीक है. तो कैसे develop करोगे आप? Which graph, which geometry we can consider to develop this network? ठीक है. So you have to build such network in such a way that each place should have the more vertex connectivity. Each place should have the more than 2 vertex connectivity. ठीक है. Each place should have more than 2 vertex connectivity. Then you will get some more chance to manage this all the situation. ठीक है. अगर यहाँ पे कोई एक नेटवर्क के प्रॉब्लम में है, ठीक है, if any one network is destroyed, ये मैंने destroy कर दिया suppose के, ठीक है, तो still D and rest of all the vertex are connected. ठीक है. If I destroy any 2 connection, then still it is connected. अगर यहाँ पे मैंने इस दो को निकाल दिया फर्स्ट ग्राफ में से, then graph look like disconnected. ठीक है, so that is used in this real life case. Clear? Okay, which network is suitable? Okay, which graph will be the suitable in real life? Which network is suitable in real life? Okay, so the graph should have the more vertex connectivity. Okay, graph should have the more edge connectivity. Clear? Comparison to the first graph, it has a more vertex connectivity. The second graph is the better connected graph. Okay, comparison to the first. ठीक है, both are the same situation. एक मैंने ऐसे डेवलप किया नेटवर्क फर्स्ट ग्राफ में, ठीक है, with 8 vertex and 12 edges. In the second graph I consider this network, so which will be the better one or second? ठीक है, because reason is also mentioned here. If any 3 station are bombed or any 3 line destroyed, अगर 3 प्लेस को आप बॉम्बार्डिंग करते हो, अदरवाइज एनी 3 लाइन आप डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हो, ठीक है, तो स्टिल द रेस्ट ऑफ द ऑल द स्टेशंस विल कंटिन्यू टू कम्युनिकेट. ठीक है, बट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन द फर्स्ट ग्राफ. इफ यू डिस्ट्रॉय दिस बी, then rest of the part is disconnect. Okay, rest of all the station disconnect. Clear? So therefore this second situation is suitable. Okay, that is effective to build such network. Okay, is it clear? Is there any doubt in this application? That is application of connectivity.
No, sir.
Okay, and that we can use in any real life case. Okay, you can consider connectivity as a road network. Okay, you can consider connectivity as a wiring. Okay, electricity development. Otherwise, you can consider pipeline fitting. Clear? Gas pipeline, road network. Clear? That part of network you can use there. Clear? If you develop one of the new city and you have to consider such road network between the all this. ओके, आप न्यू सिटी डेवलप कर रहे हो, मीन्स आप प्लेस भी आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, कहाँ मुझे प्लेस डिफाइन करना है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन कंसीडर रियल लाइफ केस एज अ गांधीनगर सिटी. सो इट इज अ न्यू डेवलप सिटी, वो डेवलप किया गया है. ठीक है, एज इट इज नहीं था बट इज डेवलप, पूरा का पूरा नया बनाया. ठीक है, so you can see that that is one of the ring shape of the Gandhinagar city. Clear? One of the ring shape. Okay, means ring road. That is one of the ring road here. Okay, and these are the inside place of this ring road case. Now you can see that agar if any one road is in problem, okay, it is destroyed, and still it is communicate, still it is connected by another road there. Okay, and it is not possible in the Rajkot city in this case. Okay, there is only single road between any two places we have. Clear? If I consider this A place, then it has a 4 different road network to reach the place A. Okay, it has a 4 different road network to connect the place A. Clear? So if any one road network is destroyed, then still it is connect with rest of all the places. Okay, still it is connect with rest of all the places. So every जो place है वहाँ पे गांधीनगर सिटी में जो भी main place है, it has a more network connectivity there, more road network connectivity there. Okay, therefore there is a less traffic issue. Clear? Therefore there is a less traffic issue comparison to the Rajkot city. Clear? So that is one applications in real life. And here one of the another example is that that has also the 2 graph comparison. Clear? Which include 6 vertex and 16 edges. Okay, दोनों ग्राफ में कितने vertex है? 6 vertex है और 16 edges है. ठीक है, that are the 2 network we have. So which will be the better connected graph? And how we can check which graph is a better connected graph? By using the connectivity. So find both the connectivity for both the graph, and the graph which contain the more connectivity, that is known as a better connected graph. Okay, so just check it and find the connectivity for both the graph. Clear? Edge connectivity and vertex connectivity. And here also find edge connectivity and vertex connectivity. And then after compare which graph will be the better connected graph. All of you check it, both the answer, okay? Vertex as well as edge connectivity for both the graph. It's easy, that not difficult, okay? Just you have to observe the graph and then after start to the remove the vertex, okay? And check it how many minimum possibility to make the graph disconnect. Yes, what is the answer? Anyone have derived or not? Anyone got the answer? Yeah. For G1, edge connectivity is a 2, vertex connectivity is a 2. Okay, that is correct one. Okay. In the first graph, edge connectivity will be 3. Okay. And vertex connectivity will be 2. Clear? That is correct answer. Now in the second graph, in the second graph, vertex edge connectivity, let us first check. That is equal to 4. Is it correct answer? 4. Edge connectivity is equal to 4. Now, for vertex connectivity, that is a 3. Okay. Let's verify 3 is not. Yeah, which 3 vertex? Which 3 vertex? V3, V3, V6 and V5. No. If we disconnect, if we remove this 3 vertex, V3, V5, okay, this circle vertex. What is the remaining? What is the remaining? ये तो एज है ना यहाँ.
Sir, V1 instead of V5 do V1.
We need to find minimum vertex. ठीक है? V1, then after V3 and okay.
Sir, remove V5 and do V1, V3, V6.
Yeah. Okay, there is also one possibility. You can disconnect V2 and V4 as the remaining part. Clear? When we delete this 4 vertex. So is it possible for 3 vertex?
Yes, sir.
Which 3 vertex?
V1, V3, and V6.
V1, V3.
V6. Yes.
Yeah.
So V2 and V4, V5 will be there.
This will cut. There is also one possible answer. Okay. This boundary के चारों vertex आप delete कर दो. V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay. Then what is the remaining part of this graph? V3 and V5 will be remain. Okay, and that will be disconnected. Clear? So answer will be 4. Clear? So as per our definition, okay, as per our theory, which graph is the better connected graph? Those are the more
G2.
okay. So second graph is the better connected graph. Clear? Because in the first graph we have the vertex connectivity is a 2, edge connectivity is a 3. So if you destroy any 3 station, okay, any 2 station, either any 2 vertex, then graph disconnected. तो इसमें आपको at least 4 को delete करना होगा, ठीक है? You have to destroy at least 4 vertex, then the graph look like a disconnected, ठीक है? And similarly for edge connectivity, you have to destroy at least 4 edges, then the graph will be disconnected there. Clear? So that is a better connected network. Clear? Second graph. Clear? So is there any confusion in the concept of vertex edge connectivity separable graph? Any doubt to anyone in this concept? Any confusion to anyone? Okay, nice.
No, sir.
Okay. So here we'll keep up to this, and the next topic is isomorphic graph. Clear? Comparison of the two graph. It will take some time, clear, to complete this topic. Clear? And we also arrange one MCQ test today. Clear? So we'll keep up to this, and this topic we'll discuss in the next lecture. Okay? Required complete lecture. Clear? So now we'll start the quiz. Okay? Just one.
Sir.
Yes. Yes.
સર આપણે તમે અસાઇનમેન્ટ 4 ની આજે છે ને ડ્યુ ડેટ
Yes.
તો સર એકચ્યુઅલમાં અમને તમે કીધું હતું કે આવડશે નહીં ક્વેશ્ચન થોડાક સર એમાં નથી આવડતા તમે આપ્યા છે ને એમાં ડિગ્રી વાળાની બધા આવડે છે સર પણ એમાં જરીક ક્વેશ્ચન એવા છે સ્પાનિંગ ટ્રી ની બધા નહીં તો નથી આવડતા
કઈ વાંધો નહીં માટે આજે જ કરવાનું. લોકોને they can submit that. But જે લોકોને ચલાવવાનું બાકી છે યુનિટ હજી એ લોકો પછી કરાવશે તે હાલશે. બરોબર? Don't worry.
ઓકે થેન્ક યુ સર.